I will be showing y'all my everyday skincare routine, okay? An updated skincare routine. I get a lot of questions about like how do I basically, I get a lot of questions about what I use for my skin, okay? A lot of people ask me like what I use to get rid of acne because they're breaking out. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I rarely break out. If I do get a breakout, it's probably because my skin is really sensitive, so it will break out like from pillowcases, or like if I don't wash my sheets or my pillowcases. And then I also break out when it's that time of the month. I'll get like one period pimple. That's what I call them because that's what they are. Shit, they only come when I'm on my period. So pretty much those are the only times that I break out. When I get my eyebrows done. Speaking of my eyebrows, y'all, they look a little crazy right now, but that's because I did a charcoal mask like 2 nights ago, and it took my eyebrows off. But anyway, like I was saying, I also break out around my eyebrows. Like I got one right here a little bit when I get my eyebrows done. Don't know what that's about. I don't know if it's like the stuff they're using, or I don't know if it's just like irritation, like from them waxing it, and I don't know. But yeah, so those are the times I really break out. But I have a skincare routine that I feel like prevents me from breaking out as well. Everything that I'm about to use, you can find at your local. Y'all, I'm sorry if my boob happen to pop out. Don't even mind that. You know, it's gonna. They have a mind of their own, so they kind of do what they want to do. But anyway, everything I'm about to use, you can find on Amazon. Actually, my soap and the cream that I use, I found that at an African store. Maybe you can check like an African store or a hair store or something for that. But my toner can be found at the vitamin shop, you know. So I have done enough talking, and I'm about to jump into this video. But you want that double C. When you love the game, you couldn't be in love with me. I work too hard for my name, and let a bitch put one on me. So how can I trust you when all of these niggas followed you? Make you my baby, I love to. You was a time, but I dubbed you. Okay, we just started. Wait, no word get hot. Have me inside. Swimming in that pussy, girl, I swear. Blue that it would color this, I seen it like a sight. Turn me on, come on. I won't forget you a bad bitch. Heaven and the dog is gon' turn it right. Met you from the stars, you was fucking me right. Treat me like a king, baby, talk to me nice. I'm fucking with a ball player, now you acting bougie. See you out in traffic, you ain't like you never knew me. I just bust out laughing when I see you with that goofy. Savage for that money, you like Ginger from the movie. With a thotty, my dog said you got too many bodies. Girl, that pussy had me like a zombie. I gotta pour out my feelings that's inside me. Heaven and the dog is gon' turn it right. Met you from the stars, you was fucking me right. Treat me like a king, maybe talk to me nice. Was fucking me right. Treat me like a king, maybe talk to me nice. Oh, hell. Oh, shit. Let's get back in here. Alright, so now back to our scheduled programming. So now that my face is dry, that is the only soap that I've been using on my face for like a year now. After I wash my face, I tone it with this rose water. Now, hold on, focus. There you go. Okay. So I use this rose water. I'm pretty sure you can use any brand. This is the brand I use, and I get it from the vitamin shop. But this is the one that I use. This brand, Heritage Store, whatever. All right, so spraying that.
A real big nigga.
I call him
Money rich nigga, a baller. Motherfucking shot caller. A nigga after every time I call him. A rich nigga, a real big nigga.
All right. Okay, so we have the rose water on. The next step after that, I'm sorry, I'm like playing with my playlist right now because I can't just sit here in quietness I mean, I can now. I really can, but I'm a little too hot right now. I'll let it play. So, for a moisturizer, whatever, every day and night, I use the Medina brand Black Seed Cream, okay? This right here is, come on, man. Come on, man. In my boosted voice. I use the Medina Black Seed Cream as a moisturizer every day and every night. Like, I do not have any complaints about this. It has helped even out my skin tone so much. Like, this here is a inside. So used to think I'm confident and girl, is this gonna last? You're up on a pedestal, I've been moving too fast. Feel like I'm in crazy competition with the past. This here is something personal. Highly doubt this feeling is reversible. Knowledge is pain, and that is why it hurts. Okay, I just love how this skin. As you can see, like, I don't know, I just love that cream. Like, it's not oily at all. It like settles into my skin very well. I honestly do not have any complaints about any of the products that I use at all. Like, no complaints, you know what I'm saying? So that is my updated skincare routine. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope y'all go pick these products up. I will see y'all in the next video.